Hi, friends. Today I want to talk to you about how to cope with grief and loss. From last few months, I've been associated with various helplines, talking to people, listening to their stories of the grief and loss that they have experienced because of this pandemic, COVID 19. And this second wave had hit so hard that almost many of us have been taken by shock. बहुत सारे घरों में लोगों ने अपने परिवार के किसी ने एक किसी ने एक से ज़्यादा सदस्यों को खो दिया. And there have been so much of pain around that while I'm talking to these people, listening to them, I have my own tears rolling down. And at times, I don't know what to say to them. क्योंकि ये कहना कि वक्त सब कुछ ठीक कर देगा, समय के साथ सब ठीक हो जाएगा, आप इस दर्द से बाहर आ जाओगे, ये सब उनके दुख को कम नहीं करता, कई गुना बढ़ा देता है. So I'm just sharing my experience with you in this video. What I've learned is what is most important for people who have lost one of their loved ones is that they want to be heard. They want to talk about their loved ones जिनको उन्होंने खोया है और जो उनकी जर्नी रही है, जो समय उन्होंने देखा है, वो उसके बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं. And most of the time, this is what they want. They want listening ears who can just simply listen to them without lecturing. All they want from us is to hold on to that space of grief, and by listening to them, help them remember their lost loved ones, have those moments of silence where they can honor their lost loved ones, and slowly they themselves transit to a space of power. And my dear friends, the more we struggle with these emotions that are there inside us because of this mishappening of losing someone, we have all the mixed emotions. There is anger, there is sadness, there is loneliness, there is grief, and there is guilt. And guilt is so strong कि हम कुछ नहीं कर पाए, हम नहीं बचा पाए अपनों को जब उनको सबसे ज़्यादा हमारी ज़रूरत थी, हम उनके पास नहीं थे. There were no exchange of those last words, कुछ बातें जो वो उनसे कर पाते, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. Therefore this guilt is so strong inside them कि हमसे कहाँ गलती हो गई. And they're struggling with these emotions. And लोग उनको क्या बोलते हैं कि धैर्य रखिए, बी पेशेंट, ये सब धीरे धीरे चला जाएगा तो आप भी वापस जीवन की गाड़ी पे सवार हो जाएंगे. And then that's what they start doing. They keep on waiting for these emotions to go away out of the window, to go away out of their life, and they keep on trying hard to push them away from them. And the more they're struggling with these emotions to go away, the more these emotions bounce back and come to them. And then the struggle continues. तो हमें इनके साथ झगड़ना नहीं है, इनके साथ उलझना नहीं है, क्योंकि किसी अपने को खोया है ना, तो ये इमोशन तो आएंगे ही. पर अब जितना उलझोगे उतना ज़्यादा तकलीफ में रहोगे. एंड दिस प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ ग्रीफ इज सो डिफरेंट फॉर एवरीवन. हर किसी की अपनी जर्नी होती है, अपने एक पेस होता है ग्रीफ के साथ कोप अप करने का, मैनेज करने का, इससे धीरे धीरे बाहर आने का. सो अलाउ द प्रोसेसिंग टू हैपन. I know it is difficult, but the more you shift your attention on taking care of yourself, because वो तो करना ही होगा. अगर आप वो नहीं करेंगे तो बाकी परिवार के जो सदस्य हैं उनका ध्यान कौन रखेगा. So it is very important to start taking care of your own self and have that rhythm in your body. Have some physical activity, a walk in the house, a walk in the balcony, breathing exercises. Pranayams are so healthy way of connecting with your own self. And in that connection, you get to know how to get back to life. So please take utmost care of yourself. Talk to other family members. Don't keep on sitting in a corner, because these are unhealthy ways of coping up with grief. बात कीजिए लोगों से, घर वालों से, दोस्तों से, एंड उनके साथ टॉक अबाउट द पर्सन whom you have lost. हमारे अपने थे ना. अगर हम उनको अपनी यादों में नहीं ताज़ा रखेंगे, अपने जीवन में नहीं उनके लिए अगर हम एक मकाम बनाएंगे, जगह क्रिएट करेंगे, तो और कौन करेगा. ये कहना कि समय के साथ भूल जाएंगे, नहीं, भूलना नहीं है. वो बातें, वो सीख जो हमने उनसे सीखी, वो वैल्यूज़ जो उन्होंने हमको सिखाई, हमें उन सब को अपने साथ लेकर आगे बढ़ना है. और इस प्रकार हम उनको हमेशा अपने साथ रख सकते हैं. So please take utmost care of yourself. And if you think you need help from an expert, please don't shy away. Go and talk to people. They're there to help you out. Bye bye. Take care.